Now from Red Friday to cannolis.
Now September is National Cannoli Month, so we have Jasper Mirabile in the Price Chopper kitchen so we can whip up a batch of this Sicilian recipe. Every good Italian knows that this is the dessert of choice.
Come on, you have to. To me, it's the Italian, the really quintessential Sicilian dessert.
And we were just talking off camera. You said that you made this National Cannoli Month.
I did. I declared it National Cannoli Month 10 years ago because...
As only Jasper could.
Yeah, because I felt that there wasn't getting enough promotion. You know, everybody else has National Blueberry Day and National Red Pepper Day and everything, but why not cannolis? Come on.
Yeah, how do we get started here? I'm a newbie. I need you to walk me through all the steps.
Well, I'm doing some different ones today. So every day I celebrate cannolis, 30 cannolis in 30 days. And right now we're going to make the first one, which is what I like to call a latte, because everybody likes latte. So, you know, like maybe a chocolate latte or a caramel latte. I'm doing this salted caramel latte. So we have to have a little coffee in there, though. So we'll use a little bit of the roastery coffee here. We'll put that right in there.
Now, and since my last name is Hurlbrink and not quite Italian, I can still make and enjoy cannolis, right?
Oh, come on, look, I mean, we're talking simple ingredients. Powdered sugar, a little bit of ricotta cheese. You have to have the ricotta cheese, of course. And if you hand me a little bit of the whipped cream. Okay. And we'll just we'll fold a little whipped cream in there.
Can I help you out here?
Oh, please.
You need a little more?
Oh, I'm done. We're going to put in the next one also. And then a little bit of caramel sauce, the salted caramel.
Oh, now we're talking.
Oh, yeah, come on, look at this. And that's all we have to do now. We have these beautiful cannoli shells. We're just gonna mix this up very, very quickly. You fold it into this. That's all you have to do. And if it's a little soft, if you think, just put it in the refrigerator. I don't like a real stiff cream, so I like this just the way it is right here. And then
it smells remarkable already.
Shells, and you can buy the shells or you can make the shells.
And I was doing a little research. Cannoli actually means little too.
Exactly, exactly. And what you do, now the best shells are the ones that are made with either red wine vinegar or wine, because when they drop them in the oil, they start popping. You have all these little pops in there, and that's what you want. You want it really crispy.
And the red wine vinegar makes that happen?
Oh, yes, exactly. And all we do, we just fill this up. And you could put chocolate shavings on the end. It really doesn't matter. Maybe you want to put some ground coffee on there. We like to do that. So, you know, I'm very serious. I put Captain Crunch berries in my cannolis.
Oh my gosh, is that at the restaurant?
Oh yeah, one of the 30 cannolis in 30 days. People laugh, but I mean, I'm very serious about that. Crunch berries.
I love it.
Well, I mean,
Count Chocula, he can come along too.
Yeah, think of all the different mixings you could put in here.
And you would know because your family has been making these for a very long time.
65 years now. It's the first dessert on the menu that Nana put on the menu.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Okay.
We're gonna get started on the second one?
This is my espresso coffee one. So
oh, we need this. For those of us that have been up since 2:30 in the morning?
Exactly. So we're gonna put a little bit of, now you ready for this? The chocolate espresso. I made like a little paste. And this, oh, you talk about, I think it's a little dangerous. And then put some of that whipped cream in there too. You get
and the consistency looks great. Can I use that spoon over there?
I'll take those leftovers if that's the espresso.
You want the leftovers?
Can I lick the spoon?
I'll give you the whole bowl. Here, try the salted caramel one. We're going to have a whole cannolis. That's perfect. And now just fold this in. Now, if you want a little more espresso flavor, because I made like a little paste with the roastery espresso. I love these two different roastery espressos that we kind of paired with this. You know, they give the flavor. And that's all you do. You don't want to whip it real quick. You just kind of fold it in. I like the little whipped cream stripes in there. Again, we just put this in here. You ready for a cannoli? You want to do a little taste in here?
Oh yeah, I'm about food. Whatever food and form it comes in, I can eat it before it's made or after it's made. You know.
A few years ago, I even had a cannoli cart where I'd come up to the table and I'd fill the cannolis right in front of you. You got to put any mix in you want. So right now we're still doing the mozzarella, so I really didn't have time to do that this month. But 30 cannolis, 30 days, cannoli cake. I make a cannoli cake that's beautiful.
Well, and I did just see a contest in Pennsylvania. It was eat as many cannolis as you can in 5 minutes, and somebody ate 17.
Oh yeah, the San Gennaro Festival is coming up in New York City, and they do the same thing. We had one at the restaurant. It got a little sloppy, but it was okay.
We got to bring it back.
Oh, I'd love to, believe me.
The cleaning bill was a bit high that week.
Exactly. Well, so I do all these different flavored cannolis. But also, I do some random acts of cannoli, where I just drop off cannolis around Kansas City to firemen, to policemen, to hospitals, to teachers, people who deserve a cannoli, because it puts a smile on your face.
That's so sweet. I think our hardworking, better Kansas City host, Bill, deserves one.
Oh, come on, Bill.
Do I get to have one?
Right there for you.
All right, here we go. I'm going to go. Is this one the espresso one?
That's the espresso one, the roastery espresso.
Here we go.
Okay, his mouth's a little bit
Super
full.
Tuscan, I like that.
You can tell it just smells so good in the Price Chopper kitchen right now.
Go big or go home.
Now,
you know?
I should have done a red one. I do a red velvet one, but it's Red Friday. But next year,
I'm sure you can make it up at JJ's.
Oh, we're going to have it at the restaurant tomorrow. Don't worry about that. We'll have it for sure.
All right, excellent. Well, thank you very much for being here, Jasper. We sure appreciate it. Now.